Today we'll talk about hair. Many people's thoughts are focused on hair at any one time. Some people who are balding want to stop the balding process altogether. And now we'll discuss all the strategies to prevent, slow down, or even stop hair loss. Hair loss can be slowed or reversed with a mix of lifestyle modifications, medical treatments, and natural therapies. Individual responses to these procedures may vary, so always speak with a healthcare practitioner or a dermatologist before beginning any new therapies. Here are some possible solutions. Stress reduction. Excessive stress might cause hair loss. To reduce stress, try relaxation exercises like yoga, meditation, and deep breathing. Healthy eating. For strong, healthy hair, you need to eat a balanced diet that is high in vitamins, minerals, and proteins. Include foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, zinc, biotin, and iron. Good options include leafy greens, eggs, almonds, salmon, and lean meats. Natural treatments. Some people get relief from hair loss by using natural treatments like coconut oil, onion juice, aloe vera, or essential oils such as rosemary oil, peppermint oil. Even while they might not be effective for everyone, these treatments can give the scalp more nutrition and support. Avoid tight hairstyles. Tight hairstyles, such as tight braids or ponytails, can cause hair loss over time. Smoking and excessive alcohol. Smoking and excessive alcohol use can both have a detrimental impact on hair health and contribute to hair loss. Supplements. It's thought that some supplements, including biotin, collagen, and saw palmetto, can maintain healthy hair. Before beginning any new supplements, seek medical advice. Hair care techniques. Use mild shampoos. Opt for soft, chemically-free shampoos and conditioners. Gentle handling. Avoid harsh brushing, tight hairstyles, and excessive heat styling, as they can contribute to hair damage and breakage. Avoid overwashing. Overwashing can deplete your hair's natural oils, causing dryness and even damage. Medical solutions. Low-level laser therapy, LLLT. LLLT equipment produces very little laser light, which could possibly stimulate hair follicles. Platelet-rich plasma, PRP. Therapy. In order to encourage the growth of new hair follicles, platelet-rich plasma, PRP, therapy involves injecting your own platelet-rich plasma into your scalp. Minoxidil. In some people, an over-the-counter topical medication can help slow down hair loss and promote hair regeneration. Finasteride. This prescription medication is primarily used to treat male pattern baldness. It works by blocking the hormone responsible for hair loss. Consult a professional. If you're losing a lot of hair, you should see a dermatologist or other healthcare provider. They can offer tailored advice based on your particular circumstances and, if necessary, may recommend cutting-edge procedures like hair transplants,